Hello, time for another book, and this time it is Math on the Playground. And here's the book. How can you do math on the playground? All we're supposed to do is play on the playground. But you know what? There is math there too. Let's find it. And here we are, title page, Math on the Playground. Playground is a compound word. You have play and you have ground and you put them together. Oh, it's getting kind of windy out here. I hope my pages are going to stay down. Okay, word hunt. Look for these words as you read. They will be in bold, dark, black color. The first word is diagram. And this is a diagram of a park. I see a bench, a slide, and a swing. The next word is rectangle. We know what a rectangle is. This sandbox is a rectangle shape. Do you see other shapes in the sandbox? I see a round frisbee. The next word is ruler. We use a ruler to measure things. And what are they measuring here with that ruler? They're measuring a plant. Triangles. The next word is playground. Do you see that girl holding that hula hoop? What shape are hula hoops? Round. And shapes. I see a rectangle, I see a circle. Okay. Playing with math. Let's play with math. The playground is one of our favorite places. There are lots of ways we can use math there. How would you use math on this playground? Well, you could jump, you could hop and measure how far you hopped. There's the hula hoop. Ooh, I see a rectangle there. You can look for shapes on the playground. The sandbox is a rectangle. It has 4 sides. 2 sides are long and 2 sides are short. Look at the climbing dome. Can you see triangles? What other shapes can you see? Do you see these triangles here? That would be a fun thing to climb on at the playground. And how many shapes does a triangle have? 1, 2, 3. What's this shape right under the triangle? It looks like a square. I'm in my backyard and I have this sign on my table. It says live, love, bark. Do live and love both start with the same letter? O-L. You can count on the playground too. Ella counts the number of times she jumps rope. She wants to set a new record. And here is Ella. You can jump rope and do math at the same time. How many times can you jump? Do you know how to jump rope? Yesterday, Ella jumped 53 times. Today, she jumped 6 times. More. How many times did she jump? So here's your number sentence. 53 plus 6 equals. Can you find the answer to that? I bet your mom will help you. How many times did Ella jump? Can you jump as many times as she did? These 2 boys are going to play on the seesaw. One of them weighs 38 pounds and the other one weighs 46 pounds. Whose side is heavier? Have you ever seen a seesaw? It's like a big, long stick that you sit on, and it goes up and down. I used to like this when I was a little girl, but I don't see them very much anymore. Seesaw. Is 46 pounds more or less than 38 pounds? This boy weighs 46 pounds, and this boy weighs 38 pounds. How much do you weigh? Let's find out how big our playground is. First, we have to measure the playground. Sometimes we measure using a ruler. There's a ruler. And today we will measure using steps. There are 8 steps from the bench to the slide. We are going to use this diagram to help us measure. It is 14 steps from the slide to the swing and 8 steps from the bench to the slide. So, how many steps from the swing to the bench? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you added up all those steps, you would know how big the playground is. Sorry. Do you think people that build a playground need to know these things? You wouldn't want to have the slide put you right on top of the bench, would you? You wouldn't want to slide into a bench. So people who are building playgrounds have to think about these things. Maybe when you grow up, you will want to build a playground, even in your backyard. So you have to know these things. Look at the sign. What time does the playground close? The playground is closing soon. It is time to go home. We had a lot of fun with math today at the playground. So I see a sign here. Playground hours, 8 in the morning to 6. So it closes at 6, and that is dinner time. That looks like a really fun playground. What do you think? Okay, and here's new words we learned today. And that's the end of the book. Thanks for reading it with me.